Hello scrapers! Tired of messy duplicates in your Google Maps data? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to scrape clean and accurate reviews using Outscraper. So let's dive right in. Head over to Outscraper and log into your account. Now, let's scrape first Google's places for businesses that could be our potential competitors. For this example, we will be using restaurants in a single state. For now, it's Texas. We're gathering insights to see how people in the area are reacting to similar business. Let's put restaurants in here. Then to limit it to Texas, we will just put Texas in here. And I will be limiting the maximum results limits to 500 for this example. I will be using emails and contact scraper for me to get the emails and contacts. Make sure that you use this filter button to click email, ignore without emails, and delete email duplicates. Make sure to click this delete duplicates and use zip codes to make sure that there are no duplicate Google places. Once everything is set, hit get data. Now we have a clean list that don't have similar Google places. Now let's copy the Google places and use Google Maps reviews to get reviews from these Google places. Google Maps Reviews Scraper returns reviews from places on Google Maps. Now let's click Plain Queries to paste our Google Place ID. That the reviews limit per one place is 1 to get just 1 reviews per one place. Then click Export Reviews. Here you will be prompted by a window containing the information of your scrape. Hit Confirm and let Outscraper do its work. And just like that, you've got a clean list of reviews ready for your analysis. And that's how you scrape clean and accurate reviews using Google Maps Scraper and Google Maps Review Scraper. Head over to Outscraper and try our free tier. Happy scraping!